paligid. Kung ana'y baboy sa inyong silong, wag na'y mukit-kit sa igit nga ni pilit sa inyong haligid. If I'm going to be a piggy, you tie me under the backyard. If you have the mercy on me, you be the shit to me. If I'm going to be a shit in the bush, that's where I have sleep. If you have mercy, mercy, you bring me to your piggy. If no more piggy under your backyard, no one's going to eat with a poisonous igit in their backyard. If no more piggy under your backyard, no one's going to eat with a poisonous shit after the backyard.